Hi guys and good morning, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Emily, coming back with another vlog. Just thought, why not? If I don't pick the camera up then I'll never get adding content again, so we're just gonna vlog. We're gonna go a couple different places, so take you with me. But before all that, we're gonna do all the morning like chores, gonna go out with all the animals and set you up, just show you what we do with the day. So yeah, I'm gonna head downstairs. I've already been down, but my camera was up here, so I came and thought I'd start up here. Whatever the day kind of unfolds, let's take you guys with me. Didn't really think it through wearing this outfit. It's got bell bottoms and it drags on the floor, so I'm gonna have to just like tuck them in into my husband's shoes. Just popping in to say that in case you're like, wow, she's got big feet. I'm about to put on my husband's shoes so I can tuck the trousers in, because I'm not getting changed now because I'm literally got like half an hour till Luke gets here. And then to change to do the farm chores, so then change again. I just want to yeah, so I'm gonna put on some big shoes, okay? road that I like to say is where the fairies live. You see the fairy road as? This is the road with the fairies. Do you want to tell them where we're going? No? And I'm having a meltdown over ChatGPT, not doing what I wanted to do. Luke's back from work.
Yeah.
And we're busy planning what we're going to do tomorrow, so we're going to take you along for that as well, because other than getting the milk and the butchers today, it's not too much exciting to show you, so we'll take you to that as well. Oh, I can see the milk place. I'll show you when we get there.
tiny little black bug.
Yeah.
Those ones that you feel when your arms tickly and then you look down, you got this little tiny black thing and it's like.
Make sure you have.
You gonna say something silly?
Yeah, I was gonna say keep hold of the wallet, otherwise it'll float away.
Well, as you would have seen, I had to film that screen. That's Luke's insane butcher's haul. Tell them different things that you got them, because I know I got some really nice sausages.
Wait,
that's what I wanted.
I think it's easier if we just name the stuff that we didn't get. Chicken. Oh, we did get some chicken.
He's jumping on you. A little bug. They're getting everywhere. It's because it's hot summer.
Can't wait to finish.
I got fillet steak. You got.
We got bacon. We got sausage.
Streaky bacon.
I got little
We got diced lamb. We got a lamb shoulder.
Yeah.
We got some.
You got a shin.
We got some beef shin.
Loads of sausages. They got 24 of these spicy ones, and Luke got 48 of his kind.
We got.
Are we nearly home?
Well, you saw the price, so we got loads.
Ribeyes. We got rumps. We got.
We are. Do you recognise it?
You got a pie.
Yes. And a pork. No.
Homemade
And a
pie.
Scotch egg made of black pudding and pork with like a whole egg in the middle.
Yeah,
I like that mashed up.
Mummy and me shared the pie.
The Scotch
Got
egg.
minted lamb.
Scotch egg.
And was it delicious?
Yeah.
You loved it?
Yeah.
It was very good.
Yeah, it smells like
Samosa, lamb
smells
samosa.
like chocolate roll.
Yeah, and I got a steak and ale pie, which was just in that bakery bit, which you would have seen, which just looked nice. So I think I'm going to heat that and have that for the kids' tea. I'm probably going to have fillet steak later, but I'll probably taste the pie. Or maybe I'll save the pie. I don't know. Because I kind of want the pie. No, I'll do pie for tea for the kids. That's, they can have a quarter each. Kean will eat it. So the other four can have a quarter each. And then veggies, potatoes, gravy. Oh, I don't have any gravy.
Yes, we definitely did her
Nick
now.
shop or something. But yeah, we're heading back now with the milk and meat in tow.
No, we're not heading back.
Home, we're heading home. Not back out. And my friend's coming round now, so I don't sure, like I'll pick the camera up and that one there.
No, we're not heading back home, we're already home.
Yeah, but we're
Not
still heading home.
Yes, we are.
And Luke's gonna sort all of the meat out.
Well, I'm gonna have a coffee first, and then,
Oh, I'm gonna have coffee
We
too.
are.
and then I'm going on the bike, and then
Hey,
There's not any room in the fridge to put all that.
can I take my
put it
I
in.
did something bad. I put a chicken out of the freezer in the fridge, and now the whole top shelf is covered in chicken juice.
Oh, yeah, clean it. You should always put it on a plate.
I know.
ding,
I know.
ding, ding, ding.
We're back.
Well, this is dinner from the butcher's. Egg and bacon and butter. One steak,
And some sauces.
What steak was that?
ribeye,
That was the
We
ribeye.
buy ruby.
and that was
Is that
With it
Lincolnshire
body.
sausages there?
2
And
Lincoln
that's
sausages
Minted lamb?
and some minted lamb.
Yay! And Luke's on the carnivore diet if you hadn't noticed.
Lava.
But yeah, he wanted to show you because I'm going to
This
film
is cool because I wanted some like egg mayonnaise kind of
Lava.
thing
without the mayonnaise.
without the mayonnaise. So I just did the egg and chopped the crispy bacon up and then put a big chunk of butter in and mixed the butter up and then it's kind of like
I just got that on camera, you rascals.
egg mayonnaise.
But yeah, I can't.
Just in case.
It's the Winnie show.
In case
Luke! you can't talk to the vlog while he's doing that. Lover!
In case there's
Chicken!
any steak haters, then there we go.
Oh, what's that? That's medium rare.
Yeah,
I like
kind
mine a
of.
bit
It's
more.
might have a bit more.
I like mine a bit more rare. Yeah, go on then, you can have some. Yeah, Luke's going to be unpacking it and doing it, which I was going to film, but then he was a bit like concerned about you guys missing out on this. So this is what he's eating before he does the unpacking. But it's ew. And on that note, Luke, I'm going to leave you to your dinner.
So what?
Good afternoon. it's the next day. I'm here with all the family. Hello. Well, the youngest three, the oldest two are out for the day with their grandparents. So where have we come? Monsaldale. Just Monsaldale, but there's a waterfall. So Monsaldale waterfall. So we're off on an adventure, are we, kids?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we've done all the usual stuff this morning. No point showing you that twice because we obviously showed you all that yesterday. So it's the afternoon now. We've had about an hour and a half drive and we're off on an adventure.
guys. So I had a huge like boo-boo when we went out on our trip yesterday. I forgot to take a spare camera and I forgot to charge the camera. I'm sorry, I forgot to take a spare battery and I forgot to charge the battery. So you would have only got a couple clips of footage where I could actually like talk to you guys, and the rest I kind of filmed on my phone. So I don't know what the quality is going to be like. So I just kind of put a bit of music over it and you guys would have just seen that. So because I didn't have my camera and there was no like proper vlog to it, we're going to carry on today, and it's the hottest day of the year so far. It's like 31 degrees and we've decided we're going to get the hot tub out. Where is it?
Hi.
So we're completely reorganising, tidying under the begonia. When I call that begonia, if that's not how you say it, I'm sorry, I don't know what you're supposed to call this.
Patio.
Well, this is the patio. What's the roof thing? Begonia. So me and Snowy, you're helping me, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Or you
I actually think it's like a roof so we don't get like rained on.
Yeah.
It's a rain roof.
A rain roof.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
It is.
That's what it's called. What do you say?
A begonia?
No. You say Vigoria, I say rain roof.
Yeah. So I'm going to pop the camera like over here while we sort out. And
No, the cats are out right now.
they are out. Right, I'm going
Do
to
not.
pop some music over, do some tidying, and just see what we get
Hi.
done. Depends how hot it is.
Can
We're
you
absolutely
see
boiling.
me?
No, they can't. Hold on.
Hi.
Here you go, Angel.
Hi.
Hi. Right, Snowy, any trash we're going to pop in that bag. Anything that needs to go in that bag there. Anything that needs to go in the shed, we're going to pop over there. And then we're going to move and sweep, get rid of all the sawdust. We've moved all the animals. You can't see me. We've moved all the animals from under the begonia. So we're going to sweep, get rid of all the sawdust, because hopefully we won't have any sawdust under here now. Because all the animals are kind of away. Because we've got the hot tub. We don't want sawdust going in the hot tub. Do you want your bottle putting back in, darling?
Yeah.
You're so cute. I'm not brushing it or anything because it's so hot. So hot.
Hi.
Right, let's get on with it. Okay guys, so that is about all we're doing today. It is absolutely boiling. This is the extent of it. We've still got the chickens down there and that TV stand, which obviously needs to go, but we've managed to clean up under here. My friend's here, she's just off camera, she doesn't want to be on, and she came with gifts. So I'm going to enjoy, can you even see me? It's super dark. I'm going to enjoy the Starbucks that I've been treated to, and I'm going to go and hang out with my friend now. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. You want to say bye? Ooh. Subscribe. Be showing them all your candy. And we'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace. You doing peace?